So you can see the lights can open, and this is Eiffel Tower. I am here, Jamal with Aghas and Sayed and Patrick. So this is special lighting, and every hour light blinks on Eiffel Tower. So this is the moment you can see how lighting is going on. It's beautiful.
Eiffel Tower is glittering now.
Glittering. Eiffel Tower is glittering and lighting.
Jamal, Aghas and Patrick is here. See this, and it's beautiful. You can see there he is waving you.
And there is Aghas and Sayed.
Yeah, yes, black. Everything is beautiful. So please look at the Eiffel Tower lighting. We are showing you this without visa, without anything. Okay, wherever you are sitting, you are watching this. It's a $1 million scene.
No, not a 1 million.
No, I mean this moment. If you calculate, this becomes many millions.
Many millions, yes.
So this moment is because we are together.
This is a scene. This is a view of $100,000 million.
100,000 million. Yes, that's true.
Once time people come over here from all over the world to watch this. So not a million, $100,000
Fabulous.
million dollars.
Beautiful.
Euro.
Beautiful. Wow. Côté acide, voilà. Un petit peu à gauche. Hassan, Hassan. आजो इधर मेरे साथ लगो साथ yes, like this. Three musketeers. Three musketeers. देखो मैंने कितना ज़बरदस्त बनाया ना. अब आधे पूरा हो ना. ये मेरी वीडियो है.
Fantastic. So this is the end. 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes in the night till
every hour,
every day till 12 p.m. and then Eiffel Tower stopped.
Yeah.
Okay, ciao. I am Jamal, Aghas and Sayed and Patrick from Paris under the
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Glittering Eiffel Tower.
Glittering Eiffel Tower.